Dear students, welcome to my channel The Tilok Tutorials. I hope you are all fine and fit. Today I am going to discuss about parts of speech. Parts of speech. Okay. If you want to speak English fluently, then it is compulsory to learn parts of speech very well. Okay. If you want to speak English fluently, then it is compulsory to learn parts of speech very well. Okay. So we can categorize English words into 9 basic types called parts of speech. We can categorize English words into 9 basic types called parts of speech. 9 basic. We can categorize English words into 9 basic types called parts of speech. Okay, we can categorize English words into 9 basic types called parts of speech or word classes. Word classes. Okay, it is quite important to recognize parts of speech. Okay, this helps you to analyze sentences and understand them. It also helps you to construct good sentences. Okay, so it is quite important to recognize parts of speech. This helps you to analyze sentences and understand them, and it also helps you to construct good sentences. So the first parts of speech in English grammar is noun. What do you mean by noun, or what is a noun? Is a naming word. Okay, that means name of any person or thing. That means name of any person or thing. Okay, example, most common examples of noun: pen, dog, music, town, London, name of a city, John, name of a person. Okay, example, he lives in London. He lives in London. So London is a noun. Okay, next type is pronoun. Next type is pronoun. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is used to instead of noun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. That means it replaces a noun. Okay, it replaces a noun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. That means it replaces a noun. Okay, examples of pronoun: I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. Okay, examples of pronoun is I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. These are all examples of pronoun. Okay, example, Monica is Indian. Monica is Indian. Full stop. She is very beautiful. Monica is a noun, is Indian. Okay, she is very beautiful. Beautiful. Monica is Indian. She is very beautiful. So Monica is a noun and she is a pronoun. Monica is a noun and she is a pronoun. Okay, so Monica is replaced by she in the second part of the sentence. Okay. Next type. Next type is adjective. Next type is adjective. So what is an adjective? Adjective qualifies or describes a noun. The basic function of an adjective is to qualify or describe a noun. Okay. Example of adjective: good, big, red, interesting, brave, poor, rich, etc. Okay, so these are all examples of adjective. Next example: the soldier is very brave. The soldier is very brave. Okay, so brave is an adjective that qualifies the noun soldier. Okay, so adjective qualifies or describes a noun, and the examples of adjective are good, big, red, interesting, brave, poor, rich, etc. Okay, and the example is the soldier is very brave. Okay, in this sentence, brave is an adjective that qualifies the noun soldier. Next type is verb. Okay, so what is a verb? Verb shows any action. Verb shows any action. Okay, verb shows any action or state. Examples of verbs: be verb, have verb, do verb, like verb, work, okay, sing, can, must, etc. So these are all examples of verb. Okay, another example: I like English. I like English culture. I like English culture. Okay, so here in this sentence the verb is like. Okay, so verb shows any action or state. Okay, next type: adverb. What is an adverb? Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay, so adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Okay, examples of adverb: quickly, silently, badly, well, very, really. So these are all examples of adverb. So the similar thing among these words is ly. The similar thing among these words, okay, is ly. Each word takes ly after it. Each word takes ly after it. Each word takes ly after it. Okay, so example: my dog eats quickly. My dogs eat quickly. When he is hungry. My dog eats quickly when he is very hungry. Okay. He eats really quickly. He eats really quickly. So, in the first sentence, my dog eats quickly. Eats is a verb, okay, and quickly is an adverb that qualifies the verb eats, okay. In the second part of the sentence, hungry is an adjective that is qualified by an adverb very, okay. In the third part of or last sentence, he eats really quickly, okay. So quickly is an adverb, okay. So quickly is an adverb that qualifies by another adverb really, okay. So here it is now clear how to use an adverb in a sentence, okay. Next type, preposition. So what is a preposition? Preposition links a noun to another word in a sentence. Preposition links a noun. Preposition links a noun to another word in a sentence, okay. The preposition links a noun to another word in a sentence, okay. Example: to, at, after, on, but, etc. Examples of preposition are to, at, after, on, but, etc. Example: we went to school. We went to school on Monday. We went to school on Monday. So here in this sentence, to is a preposition and also on is a preposition, okay. In the second sentence, the cat is under the table, okay. So in this sentence, the preposition is under, that links the noun cat to another word, that is the table, in the sentence, okay. Now it is clear how to use a preposition in a sentence, okay. So next part or next type, that is conjunction. Okay, conjunction joins clauses or sentences or words, okay. Conjunction joins clauses or sentences, or words. Conjunction joins clauses or sentences or words, okay. Example: and, most common example, and, but, or, because, etc. So these are the examples of conjunction. I like dogs and I like cats. So in this sentence, two separate sentences are joined by the conjunction and. Two separate sentences are joined by the conjunction and. Next, I like cats and dogs. So here two different words are joined by the conjunction and. Okay. Next, I like cats but I don't like dogs. Okay, here the conjunction is but. So here it is now clear how to use a conjunction in a sentence. Next type. Next type is interjection. So what is an interjection? An interjection expresses sudden feeling of mind or a short exclamation. An interjection expresses sudden feeling of mind or a short exclamation. Okay. Examples of interjection words are hooray, alas. Okay, hooray, alas, oh, ouch, bravo. What, how, etc. Okay. Example, hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. So here the interjection word is hooray, that shows the sudden feeling of mind or a short exclamation. And an interjection word always ends with the exclamatory sign. Always ends with the exclamatory sign. Okay, an interjection word always ends with the exclamatory sign. Okay. So the above words express the sudden feeling of mind or exclamation. Okay. So students, this is all about parts of speech. Okay. So students, this is all about parts of speech. I think it is now quite clear to you to understand the 9 basic types of parts of speech. So after interjection, the next type is determiner. So what is a determiner? Determiner is one of the nine parts of speech. Okay, one of the 9 parts of speech. Examples, the, and, is, some, either. Okay, my, and whose. So these are the examples of determiners. Okay, so these are the examples of determiners. So main determiners are articles. Okay, articles a and the. Main determiners are articles a and the. Okay, then demonstrative determiners are demonstrative determiners these, okay, that is oblique that, theac, these plural form of this, and those plural form of that. Okay, these are all determiners. Which determiner? Demonstrative determiners. Next, possessive determiners. POSSESSIVE, possessive determiners. Possessive determiners are, okay, possessive means one's own. Okay, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. So these are the examples of determiners. Okay, so this is all about parts of speech. We have discussed every type of parts of speech in this class. So students, if you like this class, please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.